welcome back to Homemaking with Mima. If you're new here, my name is Wendy, and in today's video, it's going to be video number 1 in regards to revisiting $40 budget. And I'm going to bring you along for this little mini series. All right, so this little mini series, I had created a mini series back in February 2025 in regards to $40 budget. I gave myself a budget of $40 and I created some meals with that. And I believe this is going to be a little series of 4 videos, I want to say. For the first video here, I had a hard time finding my video information. So what I had to do was I had to do it a little bit differently. So you're going to see photos of a video regarding 2024, and then of course some pictures of 2026 as far as the pricing for the items for the meals. So I had a shopping list that I had gone by, and that's how I had created all of this. And I'll give you a quick look at the shopping list. So this is the shopping list right here, okay? And then what I had done was I had created a meal plan. And for this video, for video number 1, I believe I had 8 meals regarding it. But like I said, I had lost some of my video information from that February 2025. For the rest of it, I do have. So it'll be a lot different after this video. So I do give you the pricing of what it was in 2024 to now 2026. And actually, there's only an increase of $1.70. So prices really haven't changed that much for this. So I will be inserting in the description box below the actual videos from when they were first posted back in 2025. So this very first video will be in the description box below, so you can view that. All right, so we're gonna go from here. So these numbers are from 2025 in February to now 2026, it's March. So the frozen chicken patties were $5.74. They still are $5.74. The hamburger buns were $1.46. They've only gone up to $1.48. The rotisserie chicken that you're going to see was $5.97. It's still $5.97. The greater value mashed potatoes, that 13.75 ounce, was $2.12 back in 2025. It is now $1.88. So that's gone down. Greater value frozen ground beef chub was $4.74. It is now $5.94. Greater value size cream of mushroom soup was $1.64. It is now $1.72. The greater value canned corn was 64 cents. It is now 76 cents. So yes, that's gone up. The greater value egg noodles were 98 cents, or elbow noodles, and right now they're still 98 cents. So all in all, that's not so bad. And then we're going to go to the greater value medium egg noodles after the elbow noodles. They were $1.48. They've gone up to $1.74. The greater value family size green beans were $1.16. They are now $1.37. The bakery pre-sliced French bread for 2 of them totaled $2.94 back in 2025. They are now $3.24. So that has jumped up quite a bit. And then the greater value 12-cup pack mandarin oranges were $7.24. They are now $7.97, so that's not so bad. And the greater value wave chips, 7.5 ounce, were $1.98. Right now, I think they're $1.50, so they have gone down. So the total back in 2025 was $38.09, and for 2026 it comes to $39.79. So that's going to wrap up this first video of revisiting $40 budget And I did this to I was curious. And I had done something similar to this in April. So I thought I would do it again for this. I was just curious to see any price differences. I didn't see much for price differences for the one I had done in April. And so far, this first video, I haven't seen much of an increase at all either. So I'm assuming it's just all at what you're interested in purchasing. And, but that's how it is all the time. You know, price fluctuation is seasonal, and it's also, you know, what's going on in the world at the time. But right now, this first video, I didn't see much of an increase. All right, I want to thank you so much for joining me, and I hope this is informational to you. And if you like this kind of content, please subscribe to the channel, give it a thumbs up, and I want you to make it a really great day.